Hey guys, Dwayne here. Today I'm doing a friend mail unboxing from Shlisa Shell. That's one of her stickers. That's her other sticker, but the post office put the priority mail tape on top of it, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to save that one. Anyway, Shlisa is a neat lady. I met her through Sammy Prepper and Bushcraft in Australia, and where she lives, where Shlisa lives, she can just go out into the woods and find wild fatwood, and she does that, and she's made videos about it. In one of her recent videos, she had all this really great fatwood, and I left her a comment. I said, "Are you interested in selling some of your fatwood?" And she said, "I don't sell it, but we could do a trade." So we emailed back and forth, and we decided to do a trade. And this is what she sent me. This is huge. This is 2 pounds 4 ounces. It cost her $14.50 to send it. So I am looking forward to opening this. I can already smell it. Right there. So let's get into this. Using the Bushcraft Condor to open my package. Oh yeah. Cool. I wasn't able to save the sticker on the back, but she sent me a postcard. That's cool. This will go up on the wall. Dwayne, here's a big bag of fatwood goodness. I hope you like it. The big horn-shaped fuzzy piece is red pine. The rest are white. Thank you so much for watching my channel and leaving comments. Shlisa O'Shell. Cool, cool. Great. I love this postcard. Oh, another sticker. Smaller one and a really small one. This one says weatherproof dishwasher safe label. Huh. Very cool. Thank you, Shlisa. Now let's see what's in here. Wow. Jeez. Okay, there's some dust in there. I'm going to save that. 3 big pieces and a bunch of sticks. Shlisa Shell Pure Michigan Fatwood. Wow. How many of these stickers did you buy? That's cool. Oh, there's more. Inside the big bag is a smaller bag. More Shlisa Shell Pure Michigan Fatwood. She went to a lot of trouble to break this up into little sticks. And these are bigger sticks, and these are bigger sticks. Smells really good. Really good. Wow. Thank you, Shlisa. That is a lot of fatwood. I think I'm set for the year. Thank you very much. Very cool. Very, very cool. Awesome. Thank you, Shlisa, and thank you all for watching. My next Fatwood party will be with Shalisa's Fatwood. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Peace out.